This is Raul's digital avatar. You shipped a new feature last quarter. You spent 6 weeks on it. You told your team it was a game changer, and then almost nobody used it. Sound familiar? Because every founder I know has at least 3 of these in their backlog right now. Features that felt right, took months, and went nowhere. The problem isn't your team. The problem is how you decided to build it. And most people, honestly, most people decide completely wrong. Let's start with the dumb version. You're sitting on a Friday afternoon, you're bored, you have a hunch, so you open up ChatGPT and you type, "Give me 10 product ideas for my business." You get back 10 things. They sound smart. They use words like leverage and unlock and seamlessly. You skim the list, you pick the one that feels coolest, you pitch it to your team on Monday. They nod, you build it, and 3 months later you realize nobody asked for it. Here's the problem. AI is great at inventing things. It is terrible at telling you whether anyone wants them. Those 10 ideas sounded good because they were patterned after every other product blog post on the internet. They were statistically average ideas, and statistically average ideas fail at statistically average rates. So that's the dumb version. Hunch plus an AI brainstorm plus 3 months of build equals 0 users. That's a losing position. But here's the trap. The AI is guessing. Those pain points came from a model that was trained on the entire internet, so it knows what people generally complain about in your niche. But it doesn't know what your customers complain about. It knows the average. It doesn't know your reality. And when you build features for the average customer, you get average adoption. Pain points from a generic model equal average products for an average user. That's not a winning position either. You stop guessing. You go pull your last 90 days of customer support tickets. You pull your churn reasons from your CRM, the actual reasons customers gave when they left. You pull your top feature requests from wherever they live, your inbox, your Slack, your sales call notes, your public roadmap. You dump all of it into one document, raw, messy, real. Then you hand it to Claude and you ask the question that actually matters. Based on these, rank by revenue impact and effort to ship. Show me which 3 I should build in the next quarter, not 10. 3. And now, suddenly, you have a roadmap that isn't a vibe. Because you're not asking the AI to invent opportunities. You're asking it to triage your own ground truth. Real complaints from real customers that you actually lost. Real requests from real prospects that almost bought. That's a completely different starting point. Watch what happens when you do this. You see the same complaint 47 times in your support tickets. Onboarding confusion. You see 14 churn reasons that all say couldn't get the team to use it. You see feature requests that cluster around one specific outcome, automated reporting. And suddenly, you stop building the cool thing and you start building the thing that would have saved those 14 customers and converted those feature requests into revenue. You build the unsexy thing. The unsexy thing pays the bills. So the framework, dumb, normal, smart. The upgrade isn't the tool, the upgrade is the input. The dumb version asks AI to invent ideas. The normal version asks AI to guess pain points. The smart version feeds AI your own data, your tickets, your churn, your requests, and asks it to rank by what actually matters to your business. That combination, that's the move. That's how you stop building features nobody asked for.